If your snake plant hasn't produced a single new shoot in months, you are probably making one silent mistake. Your plant may look healthy. The leaves are green, upright, and stable, but if there is no new growth coming from the soil, something is off. And the surprising part is, most people never realize what that mistake actually is. Snake plants are very good at surviving. They can tolerate low light, irregular watering, and poor conditions for a long time, but surviving is not the same as growing. And new shoots, also called pups, are the clearest sign that your plant is truly thriving. If your plant is stuck in the same state for months, it means it is comfortable enough to survive, but not encouraged enough to grow. In this video, you will learn the real reasons behind this problem and what actually works to fix it. And once you understand these triggers, you can not only restore growth, but in many cases, you can speed it up more than you expect. Let's start with reason number 1, and this is where most people get it completely wrong. Light. Snake plants are often marketed as low-light plants. And while that is true for survival, it is not true for growth. In low-light conditions, your plant slows everything down. It stops investing energy into producing new shoots and focuses only on staying alive. That is why you might see a plant that looks fine, but does absolutely nothing for months. Here is a simple way to check. During the day, if your plant does not cast a soft shadow, it is not getting enough light. That is your signal. What you need to do instead is move your plant closer to a bright window where it can receive indirect sunlight. Not harsh, direct afternoon sun for long hours, but bright ambient light. Once you fix this, you are already solving one of the biggest growth blockers. But here is where it gets interesting. Even if your light is perfect, your plant still might not produce new shoots. That brings us to reason number 2, pot size. This is one of the most misunderstood aspects of snake plant care. Most people think a bigger pot means more space to grow, which should lead to faster growth. But for snake plants, the opposite is often true. These plants actually prefer slightly tight conditions around their roots. When the roots feel a bit restricted, the plant responds by producing new shoots as a way to expand. But when the pot is too large, the plant shifts all its energy underground. It focuses on growing roots instead of producing pups. So from the outside, it looks like nothing is happening. Here is a quick indicator. If your plant has plenty of empty soil around it, and you recently repotted it into a much larger container, that could be the reason for zero shoot production. What actually works is using a pot that is only slightly bigger than the root ball. Not cramped to the point of damage, but snug enough to encourage growth behavior. Now this next reason is a silent growth killer, and it can stop progress for months without obvious signs. Overwatering. Snake plants store water inside their leaves, which means they do not need frequent watering. But many people still water them like regular houseplants, and this creates a hidden problem. When the soil stays wet for too long, the roots become stressed. In some cases, they begin to rot, and a stressed plant will never prioritize new growth. Here is where most people go wrong. They check the surface of the soil, see that it looks dry, and water again, but the deeper layers are still wet. What you need to do instead is check the soil at least 2 to 3 inches deep. If it is still moist, do not water. Wait. This small habit change can completely transform your plant's behavior. Because once the roots are healthy and stable, the plant can finally shift its energy toward producing new shoots. And now we move to reason number 4, and this is why your plant might look healthy but still refuses to grow. Soil quality and nutrients. If your soil is dense, compact, or depleted, your plant is essentially stuck in a poor environment. The roots cannot breathe properly, water does not drain efficiently, and there are not enough nutrients available to support new growth. This is especially common if your plant has been sitting in the same soil for a long time. Over time, soil loses its structure and nutritional value. So even if you are watering correctly and providing light, the plant still cannot perform at its best. What actually works here is using a well-draining mix. A combination designed for succulents or cacti is ideal. This allows water to pass through quickly while still retaining enough moisture for the plant. You can also support growth by adding a mild fertilizer during the active growing season. Not too much, just enough to give the plant the resources it needs to produce new shoots. Now here comes a reason that many people completely misunderstand, and it leads to unnecessary frustration. Growth season. Snake plants do not grow actively all year round. Their main growth phase is during spring and summer. During colder months, especially in winter, their growth slows down significantly or even stops completely. This is natural. So if you are expecting new shoots during this time, you might think something is wrong when in reality, your plant is just following its natural cycle. This is important to understand because it helps you set the right expectations. Focus your care efforts during the active season. That is when your plant is most responsive. That is when your adjustments will actually lead to visible results. Now here is a powerful concept that can change how you approach plant care. Most snake plants do not produce new shoots because they are too comfortable. Everything is stable, nothing is challenging them, and there is no reason to expand. But when you create the right balance, you can trigger growth. Not harmful stress, but controlled conditions. Slightly tight roots, proper bright light, and careful watering. This combination signals the plant to reproduce and expand. That is when you start seeing new shoots pushing through the soil. To make this clear, this is not about damaging your plant. It is about guiding it. You are creating an environment that encourages growth instead of just survival. Let's quickly bring everything together so you can apply it easily. If your snake plant is not producing new shoots, check your light first. Make sure it is getting bright, indirect light. Then look at your pot size. Avoid oversized containers and keep the roots slightly snug. Control your watering by checking the soil deeper, not just the surface. Improve your soil quality so roots can function properly. And finally, understand the growth season so you are not expecting results at the wrong time. When these factors are aligned, something interesting happens. Your plant shifts. It moves from a survival mode into a growth mode. And once that shift happens, you will start seeing new shoots emerging from the soil. And here is the best part. Once your snake plant starts producing pups, it usually does not stop quickly. Growth becomes consistent, and your plant begins to multiply over time. Most snake plants stay stuck for months or even years because they are given conditions that are good enough to survive, but not good enough to grow. But once you fix these conditions, everything changes. Now I want you to think about your own plant. How long has it been sitting in the same state without producing a single new shoot? Weeks, months, maybe even longer. Because once you identify the real reason, the solution becomes simple. And when you apply it correctly, the results are not just visible, they are satisfying. So take a look at your snake plant today, apply these changes, and watch what happens next.